The Proscenic 850T robot vacuum offers a versatile cleaning solution by integrating sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one device, making it ideal for maintaining spotless floors effortlessly. With an impressive suction power of 3000 Pascal and 3 adjustable power modes, it effectively handles pet hair and dust, while the automatic carpet detection enhances cleaning efficiency. The vacuum features a sophisticated self-charging capability, ensuring it automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, providing uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Equipped with intelligent sensors and precision mapping, the Proscenic 850T navigates through tight corners and around furniture with ease, avoiding obstacles for a seamless cleaning experience. Users can enjoy the convenience of controlling the vacuum via a smart app or voice commands using Siri, Google Home, or Alexa, allowing for scheduled cleanings and customization of cleaning zones. Its ultra-slim design, measuring just 2.87 inches in height, allows the vacuum to access hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home.